Hello and welcome to CurryTV. I hope everybody is keeping themselves very safe. So here I'm with an update to let you know there's so many curious questions that came our way, and those are really appreciated because that means you guys are closely watching us. We haven't been uploading any videos for the past a month or so, and that is for a reason. We've been working on a major project, and so I've been dedicating my time towards that because it's a new realm of work that I'm doing, and it's none other than I have started becoming an anchor for Asianet US Weekly Roundup American Kitchen. Asianet is a very well known, globally known channel. It's in Malayalam, and in that every Friday they have been telecasting US Weekly Roundup. In that there is a new segment called American Kitchen, and I'm going to be co-starring that for this new series. So I hope you guys will tune into that and give us your blessings, and come on, cheer us on. And apart from that, we're also starting a new channel on YouTube called Nirvana. Nirvana is for you to engage with us on a family level. There's so many curious friends asking us to showcase our kids, how they interact, because we have 4 kids. How would we do with them? How do we manage them now that we are doing homeschooling? What are the things that you guys are managing? And if there's any tips and tricks that any other parents can use, please share those. So Curry TV is going to be just curry based stuff, but Nirvana is going to be more of a personal note as for our family. So please check it, look at that, and if you haven't subscribed to those 2 channels, please do. You can also follow us through Instagram and Facebook, so that way you'll get all the latest updates. So if you haven't been following us on Instagram or Facebook, that's why you guys were curious, how come, what happened. There's a new Onam series is here. I'm in the Onam attire. So what happened? And I'm so sorry. I've been planning it out, but dedication and whatever we do, we have to give our 100% to it. So when this new opportunity came, I had to deviate my attention to that just slightly, but we are coming back with a bang, and we are going to show you more of a series coming your way. So please take a look at those and let us know what you think. Use the comments down below to let us know what you guys like to know or feature on Curry TV or on Nirvana, and we'll get those going. Thank you so much for all your support, and keep continuing to support us. We definitely need that. We'll see you guys next time with a good curry.